What are you doing now, Toby? This is the state of my living room after a rainy day Sunday when the boys haven't been out of the house. And this is the state of my boys when they haven't been out of the house all day. What are you now, Toby? What are you, Oscar? Oh. And you are?
Mummy, do you know who won? Oh, wow! Mummy, Dragon Flames won!
Let's sell tickets for this. Don't hurt each other. This is why my house is a pigsty. Oh, why didn't I have little girls who would sit and watch Angelina Ballerina in quiet peacefulness, or crochet something, or darn a sock, and not just wreck my house and wreck each other while pretending to be aliens. Oh, alright. Oh, God, I'm surprised I have a house left. "10 minutes till bedtime. Will I live that long? Will they live that long? Who knows?"